Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I found some more of the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Blizzard Bashers. As you saw earlier today, I unboxed the Blizzard Bashers Roger Dodger, and I managed to find the other four at another Walmart. So I found Skeleton Crew, Bone Shaker, Smash Squatch, with a Yeti on the top, which is pretty cool, and Abysmal. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start off with Bone Shaker. Here's the Connect and Crash car, and here is Bone Shaker. Very detailed. It's got shiny blue paint. The goblins are covered in snow. It says Bone Shaker on the back. Nice shiny chrome skull and engine. You got the swords on the top. Then all the nice shiny blue and everything. Then the white tires, transparent blue rims. Very, very awesome looking truck. So there's Bone Shaker. Next up, we will do Smash Squatch. Here's the Connect and Crash car, and here is Smash Squatch. Or I guess you could say Yeti Smash Squatch. I don't know. But yeah, here is the Blizzard Bashers Smash Squatch. Looks really cool. Nice shiny silver on the front. You got his hand. You got a big Yeti face. Then it says Smash Squatch. There's one little fly on his head, and one on his foot. Yeah, they kind of changed up this truck a little differently, but it's still cool nonetheless. And then you got the blue rims, white tires. Very awesome. And then next up, we have Skeleton Crew. Here is the Connect and Crash car. And here is Skeleton Crew, the Blizzard version. Definitely one of my favorites. It's very awesome looking, from what I can say. I really like the design. Definitely, this one looks definitely better in my opinion. I like the snow, and the skeletons look cool. The blue tires look good as well. That blue grill on the front looks nice. You got the swords and the skull. It's a Skeleton Crew. Very cool looking truck. Definitely very cool looking. So there's that. And then probably one of my favorites that I got today, Abysmal Blizzard Bashers. There's the Connect and Crash car, and here is Abysmal. Same rims and tires as normal, but let's take a look at the body art on the truck. You got the tentacles all frozen. Says Abysmal. You got the blue octopus all frozen. Got the tentacle. You got more frozen tentacles on the side. And it says Abysmal with more frozen tentacles. Very awesome. Yeah, so those were the new trucks I got tonight. The rest of the Blizzard Bashers collection from 2019. These will also make their Sign Up Series debut in Sign Up Series 18, the Christmas edition. So if you want to pick these trucks for the Sign Up Series, my recommendation, after you watch this video, comment down below which one of these four you want, and then I will add them to the Sign Up Series lineup. Alright guys, until next time, bye.